Hey guys, so now what I am making, I am about to make a grease because every mama don't like the conditioning cream. They don't like the oils. So old school mamas like grease. So in here, guys, I have shea butter. I have castor oil. I have hard coconut oil. And then I have beeswax cosmetic grade. And the only thing left to put in there, guys, is my secret sauce. I'm going to put that in, blend that up, guys, and then I'm going to put them off into containers and let it turn hard into a grease. But yeah, this one is going to be grease because some of my mamas don't like, they don't like, you know, the oils and stuff like that. And then, guys, to change this color, actually food coloring. So I might change the color so they'll know the difference. Let me get some food coloring and I'll come back. All right, so I put that secret sauce in there. And check this out, guys. This is just regular blue food coloring. If it's safe for you to eat, it can go in your hair, guys. So now I'm going to mix it all up, guys. And I need to get my containers ready. So when this melt all down, guys, I can put it into the jars. Alrighty then. Alright, bye-bye. Guys, I just thought about it with the amount of herbs that I got in this mix. We're not going to wind up turning this one blue. It's actually made it more dark green because of the herbs itself. This is a really potent batch. Like I want this hair grease to be full of the vitamins and herbs. So I double mount the scoop. So this is going to, when it dries, it's going to be a dark green, guys. But it have all of those remedies, everything good for your hair. It has it in there. That secret sauce has a little of everything in there. So I'm just heating it up really good, making sure all my beeswax and coconut oil and shea butter, castor oil, vitamin E oil, and all of my herbs is blended real good, guys. And then I'm going to put it in the molds and let it freeze. And this will be the grease for the mothers that don't like all the conditioning creams. They want old-fashioned hair grease, guys. But this has that secret sauce, so it's going to grow your baby hair amazing, guys. Alrighty. Now I have all of the containers filled, and to just speed this process up to let them come to a solid form. So this one is going to be the grease, but this is also with the secret sauce in there, guys. This is Bang with benefits to grow your hair. My product, I guarantee you to get hair growth. Now, if you got like hair issues like contraction alopecia or medicine that you're taking from the doctor and stuff like that. Now, those type of people, I'm not promising you hair growth, but I'm talking about for the normal, everyday people that then been wearing weaves, braids, and they did unhealthy things to take out your hair. I guarantee you, your hair will grow back with my product. So thank you guys for watching. It's going to come solid, and these orders will be going out. Bye-bye.